our last episode of this. Yeah, it's 10th episode. It's also 7Q because I started from 5, so I avoided all this easier one. And today in my studio we have a guest. This is our gnome, Gnome Charlie. Coders. Yeah, he is not that talkative. He's always here with me and support what I'm doing. Yeah, that was the intro. Let's start coding. So let's start with output, and in this case is output is fine. So we're getting an array, and okay, output, and this will be something like this. Okay, let's go further. Yeah, for loop, because this is a string, and what we want to do is take the first letter and make it capital, and then second one, so the index 1 have one additional letter, but this one is small. Another one you add another letter and then another letter. So we basically go for loop. Exactly this. Yes. Okay, and now what we're trying to do is take first you know what, so for this formatting I can see that there are some I forgot how it's called, the thing is here or in between, so I will use an array for that. So I'll do the output array, because then it will join all the elements in the array, and we will join them on the dash. I think dash. That's the word. Const upper letter, and this one is always the first letter is uppercase. Cool. Const that letter. So now we want to take the last letter that are left. So to do this, we will do this one to lower case, and we're gonna do repeat I number of times. So let's run and now what we're trying to do is take the output array, and we're gonna push these elements. So we're gonna push upper letter plus repeated letters. So that will push this to our array, and return rejoin on this. So there's one small problem. If you want, you will see. The problem here is okay, don't know what the problem is. Output array might be empty. Okay, let's see. It's going inside. S. Okay, let's try. Cool. Unhandled rejections. Test expected got something like this. Okay, why? Of course, I always misspell this. Yeah, so it's working. Interesting. Well, if we're gonna attempt, I think it should not work. Okay, it's working. Okay, yeah, so we solved it. We solved it easier, faster than I thought we will solve it. Okay, so thank you for being and watching the videos. All of them, that would be cool if you watch all of them. And from my side, that's it for now. And please stay tuned and wait for other updates. I will definitely come up with different serial about how to do, how to code, how to be better programmer. Okay, thank you. See ya. Leave the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.